Like, you can't see the lace. I'm so serious. Greetings to YouTube and my lovely subscribers. I look insane right now. I know. I was trying to do like a 24-hour glow up with me video, but the wig was taking forever to come. I don't know what that was about. So, but it just came today. How I'm looking? Giving you guys natural. Giving you, giving you a gift. Who do you know that looks this good in a wig cap? Who you know? I'm really on camera like this. Anyways, the wig is from Unice. Oh, everything's red. That's cute. They got new packaging. I think it's cute. I missed the old Unice packaging, but this is cute. It's a 5x5 closure wig. I got it in 16 inches because one, like I told y'all, my sideburns are going back. And while they're, in restoration, I'm not trying to put no glue or anything or no tension on there. So just gonna let it hang out. Comes with one of these little headbands. I think it's like a wig grip kind of thing. Comes with wig caps. Those are always good. I love the companies that give wig caps because you always need a wig cap. Like, honestly. And I be forgetting. Aww. Look, y'all. They sent me a chain. It comes with a chain. It comes with these lashes. These are cute. This is so cute. I think it's like a Christmas stocking. 10 out of 10 with the packaging. 10 out of 10. Here's the wig. Hopefully I don't have to bleach it because I'm not. I believe it's a 16-inch 5x5. Yeah, 5x5 wig. I'm gonna put the link in the description, so don't even worry about that. The lace is not bad. I don't think I have to bleach it. I don't think I'm gonna bleach it. To be honest, bleaching your wigs, every time I bleach my wigs, the hair on the closure comes off faster, and I don't really want that. So I'm gonna just pluck it a little, and I'm gonna show y'all when it's plucked. So I don't know if you can see. I feel like I melted it pretty good. It's just I gotta clean off some of the excess, and for some reason the glue right here like will not remove itself. So I'm gonna fix that after. Like, after I cut the lace, I'm gonna lift it up a little bit and then go over the glue because I've been using rubbing alcohol and cotton swabs for the past probably 30 minutes trying to like get that, because that's the only piece that's coming back white. Everything else is basically good, but that piece is just won't, like, I don't know. So I'm probably just gonna cut the lace now and part the hair and do all of that, because this piece of thing is getting me mad. Right now I'm gonna part the hair. This is the trickiest part because I never part my hair in the center. The wig didn't come in a straight part. I guess I just have to make a part. Hold on, let me part off camera so I can try to make the top of the wig flat. I don't know if you noticed, but I feel like it's definitely crooked on the top. Like, it's giving me a little box head shape. I don't know why. Really don't know why. I'm trying to like flatten it out as much as I can. I feel like it's still giving square. Like, even though I try to flatten it out. I'm gonna put the flyaways down. So far it's okay, I guess. Go in with the scissor. It melted pretty good. It's just that one piece right there. I'm so mad about that. I'm gonna clean up the edges with some rubbing alcohol. Make this part a little whiter, and then try to fix that little piece of glue situation. I'll be back. All Alright, not gonna lie, I'm like super proud of myself. I got the edges out. I don't know how natural that looks. Maybe I should put this a little lower, because this one is like low, right? It doesn't matter. I see a lot of people talking about this on TikTok and YouTube, so I'm gonna try it out to see if it melts my lace. Let me just spray a little bit on there. First of all, it just melted. Let's talk about that. Let's talk about how it just melted my entire lace. But anyways, let me go in with a little, just to make sure that the part with the edges stays down. All right, I'm gonna get my elastic band and hold that down. All right, first of all, tell me that doesn't look good. Look at that. Ooh, guys, I'm so proud of myself. I have to, what do I have to do? Yeah, I gotta cut the hair. It's like a bob. I don't know how long I want it. Maybe this long. I wish it was like 30 inches, because I actually did good, and yeah. But this is just the first try. So I'm gonna cut it into a bob. I'm gonna cut the edges. I might curl the hair. I don't know. I'm feeling it straight, but as you can see, the 5x5 closure gives me more space for the baby hairs. This side has more baby hairs than this side. I don't know why, but that's how it is. The bob is bobbing. I know y'all see that. Girl. And pose. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I still have to get the back cut.
I ended up cutting the hair myself by using 2 mirrors and a scissor. It was like a real tedious thing, so I didn't record it because I wanted to make sure I did it right. But that's how it turned out. And it's even too.
I love this look. I love it. I love it. Don't mind this crooked piece, like I said. But the baby hairs didn't really come out how I wanted them to. But it's okay. I'm going to probably wash them and try it again, or I don't know. But it's really cute. It's a 5x5. And the way how their wig is no, nothing showing. So when the wind is blowing, I'm not going to look crazy or anything. I really, really like this hair. This is from Unice hair. Once again, the link to the wig is going to be in the description box. I'm going to do a more in-depth tutorial of how I lay my lace. Like once I master the method, I'm going to make a in-depth video so you guys can really see. But I just wanted to show you guys. And I also wanted to record it just in case it didn't come out good. It came out good. Like I said, I just have to get it cut. But other than that, I think I did pretty good. You tell me. Also, the red even spray can, that is what has my lace melted. Like, you can't see the lace. I'm so serious. I'm so glad that I bought it, because it's exactly what I needed. Comment down below if you guys have any hairstyles you want me to try out. I really want to try like a color, a crazy color. Give me a crazy color, anything. Any companies you want me to try out, reviews you want me to do, just comment anything down below so that, this video can go places. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.
But I'm still living single quality for a ball with her. Make a bed for it. Why you studying like you can't afford it? Send the money, send the wire, transport it. Jiggle when I walk so he can't ignore it. Shorty, come and get your mans. Pretty, eating lamb in his lamb. I only took him cause I can. Sweet, say I got the end.
Finisher.